Hey there, savvy shoppers. Have you ever been in the middle of an exciting online purchase, only to see that dreaded, declined message pop up on your screen? It's super frustrating, especially in 2025 when online shopping is more seamless than ever. Don't worry. I'm here to break it all down for you in this quick guide. Let's dive right in. First off, one of the most common reasons your credit card gets declined is insufficient funds. Yeah, it's as straightforward as it sounds. If your account balance is lower than the purchase amount, your bank will block the transaction to prevent overdrafts. With the rising cost of living in 2025, it's easy to overlook your available balance, so always double-check before checking out. Another big culprit is security measures. Banks and credit card companies have gotten even smarter with fraud detection algorithms. If they spot something suspicious, like an unusual purchase location or a sudden spike in spending, they might flag your card and decline it to protect you. For instance, if you're buying from a new country without prior notification, that could trigger it. Then there's the issue of outdated card details. Maybe your card has expired, or you've entered the wrong CVV, expiration date, or billing address. In 2025, with stricter verification protocols, even a tiny typo can cause a decline. Always ensure your information is up to date and accurate. Don't forget about merchant restrictions. Some online stores might not accept certain card types, or there could be regional blocks due to payment processor issues. Plus, technical glitches on either the merchant's or bank's end can lead to temporary declines. Think server errors or system updates. So, what can you do about it? Start by contacting your bank immediately to verify any holds or flags on your account. Update your card details if needed, and consider enabling transaction alerts on your app for real-time monitoring. To prevent future headaches, use secure payment methods like digital wallets, which often have built-in fraud protection. In a nutshell, credit card declines are usually a safety net, not a dead end. By understanding these reasons and taking proactive steps, you'll breeze through online purchases in no time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. See you next time.